for a pendulum backbreaker. Cover. 1, 2, and no. He gets in the ring. Wait a minute. Jigsaw with a back suplex. For those of you who don't know who Nemesis Prime is, he's a modified version of Optimus Prime. Now, the last time he was seen here in EWWE, before the last time he was seen here in EWWE, was in ICHW when he turned into Optimus Prime. Well, he was Optimus Prime, and he defeated Nemesis Prime. Nemesis Prime was in his programming, though. It somehow found its way to his programming. If you didn't know, Nemesis Prime was actually Sideways, which was actually Unicron. Which is body shots here. Unicron the Destroyer, no doubt. Sideways created Nemesis Prime to destroy both Autobots and Decepticons, I believe. But his plan backfired, and he got destroyed. Basically that continued in ICHWS. But Nemesis Prime found his way into Optimus's programming. And then took over Optimus Prime. And infected him with this virus that stops him from being able to control himself. Which means Nemesis Prime has control of Optimus Prime's body. Now Nemesis Prime has a new body. It's pretty unstoppable. But he was stopped by the Red Hulk before. And, oh, there's a clothesline that takes him down. A prime line. There's another prime line. Takes him down. Oh no, look out here, look out here! Oh my god, just slammed him down. Gonna do it again with another power slam. There's an exploder suplex. Oh, no. Now what is he doing? The crowd has gotten a little silent here. They don't know what to expect next. Oh no, I'm getting out of here. This does not look good for Jigsaw here. Oh, there's a prime line. Oh, there's a big boot that takes him down. Oh no. Oh no, no. Do not do what you did to Inuyasha. No, don't do. Oh my god! Transform slam through the table. That's just. Oh my god. And now he's going for the primetime slam. Connected with the primetime slam. Oh no. He's going for the primetime splash. Got the primetime splash. 1, 2, 3. This one's over. Will anybody be able to stop Nemesis Prime? Watch this. Just toss Jigsaw like a ragdoll, and then there, transform slam through my table. And then here it is, prime time splash. Jigsaw may have some broken ribs. That's over a ton coming down on you. Over. Not just a ton. Over a ton. Should Jigsaw even still be alive? Jigsaw probably has. Jigsaw's no one special. Oh, no, Nemesis probably just pushed the ref. Who can stop this guy?